Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful weekend. Today is the first trading day of the week, Monday 21st of June 2021. We had amazing volatility today and most of my traders banked amazing pips. Let me share with you how I helped them through live intraday analysis to bank amazing pips. Let's dig into the system guys. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, feel free to subscribe to this channel. So let's dig into straight to the three major currency pair, EURUSD, pound dollar and the dollar CAD. EURUSD, as you can see that in 4 hour last week we had amazing short trades and we banked beautiful pips. If you haven't seen my last week analysis review, feel free to watch. The link is given in the video description. This morning, as you can see, the price repeatedly respected this support level, which is 18,455, and we were long until price hit to the previous high. And let me share with you intraday analysis from this level to this level. If you look at the EURUSD, and these are the analyses, as you can see this morning, when the price keep respected many time in the support level, as you can see here, this is the analysis I broadcasted at just before at the London morning session, and that's what I explained to my trader, that the price developed sort of like, if you look at, this is almost head and shoulder pattern and the price is developing low high and low high. And the best way to look at, if the price is going to break this level, then we will consider long trade here, otherwise continue to short. But as you can see here in 4 hour, the price nicely respected many time and we had a beautiful breakout long trade here, and first target would be the 200 EMA. Bank amazing pips this morning. As you can see, based on the 4 hour price action, we were expecting a long trade here and that was the best pullback trade and bank beautiful pips. At the New York session, as you can see here, after the breakout, as always, we are looking another pullback. As you can see here at this level, we were expecting another pullback. As you can see here, price nicely developed based on the momentum. We had another amazing long trade, pullback long trade here. As soon as the price about to hit to the previous high in 4 hour, as you can see here, price nicely developing a double top here, and that's what we explained to trader guys. It's time to bank some profit and enjoying pipping. You can see here, beautiful long trade today on EURUSD based on the 4 hour price action. Let's dig into the pound dollar guys today. Pound dollar, we had amazing trades. As you can see, 4 hour last week, as you have seen that we have banked amazing pips last week. This week, as you can see, the price nicely respected 138,000 level many time here. So but we need a valid technical entry in intraday, and that's we had a beautiful analysis on pound dollar. Let me share with you. You can see here we had a two analysis, beautiful. One is the London morning session, one is the New York opening. You can see here, this is the analysis I had explained to my trader, that look at the 4 hour. You can see here price repeatedly respecting 138 level, and this is the monthly support level. In intraday, that's what we did analysis just before London open. You can see here opening, you can see explain to trader, look for this pullback at this level, because if you look at here, that's what we explained into more detail. The price broke on this level and could not maintain this level and price broken. So basically develop sort of like a double bottom and the price broken. And if what we need, we need another retest confirmation. And if we get the confirmation, then probably we're looking a long trade here. Afterwards, you can see here, we had a beautiful bullish engulfing candle. Price nicely respected, as you can see here in intraday. And as soon as the price broke on the previous high, we explained to trader scaling trade, another one, and this another one. As soon as the price hit this level, that's what we explained to trader, it's time to bank some profit. As you can see here, that level, this level, the price nicely hit. We explained to trader it's time to bank some profit. And let's see what's the New York session is going to bring us. As you can see at the New York session, just opening bell, price develop another sideways market, which I explained to trader. Probably we're gonna see another push. At least the price is going to touch 39.440 or around this level. As you can see here, we had another beautiful breakout. Momentum is bullish. We had a previous price action price broke on this level. We explained to trader, just keep banking and enjoying pullback long trade as long as the momentum is bullish. We had a breakout, pullback. As soon as the price about this level, that's what we explained to trader, it's time to bank some profit. As you can see, in 4 hour, price respected the major support. We refine our entries in intraday. We have taken a pullback, all the breakouts, previous high scaling trades. Then at the New York session, price developed sideways market. Momentum was bullish, dollar was weak. You can see another breakout and beautiful 2 more pullback. Amazing pips, guys, today. Most of my traders really enjoyed it, this trade. As you can see, such a beautiful trade, guys. Even if you look at just only 4 hour, you can see here after this bullish engulfing candle, amazing trade, beautiful trade. All right, so let's dig into the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, we had amazing and beautiful short trade here. Look at the dollar CAD in 4 hour. Last week, you can see here, we had amazing long trades, bank beautiful pips. Watch that video, link is given in the video description, my last week analysis. This morning, as you can see here, as soon as the price developed a double top, that's what we explained to trader, guys. We should be looking at trades. The best way is to look for this wedge break, this channel breakout. And if you look at in 4 hour, let me see in intraday, we had beautiful long trade, short trade on dollar CAD. Okay, so you can see at this level, this is the, let me share with you guys. That's the level. That's the, up channel is developed. We had a beautiful breakout. Price nicely broken, as you can see here. After the breakout, pull back. Beautiful. So this was the, because we're watching in 4 hour, price develop a double top. Price broken this 124,000 level. That's what we explained to trader. Keep enjoying short trade here. Then afterwards, you can see the momentum develop bearish. We have another beautiful pullback short trade. As soon as the price hit this level, you can see here, and that's what we explained to trader, it's time to bank some profit. At the New York session, I also did analysis and explained to my trader if the price is going to hit this orange EMA, as you can see here, as that's what I explained to my trader through live analysis. If the price is going to hit this orange EMA, take another pullback. We have another pullback. We have another 2, all pullbacks as long as the momentum is bearish. As you can see here in 4 hour, the major structure is broken. Price broken 124,000 level. Just keep enjoying pullback short trade here. So you can see here, as soon as the price hit to the final target around this level, that's what we explained to trader, guys. It's time to enjoying pipping and banking some profit. As you can see, that's what we analyze the market in 4 hour, what's happening here. Based on that, we refine our entries and exit in our intraday system, banking beautiful breakout and the pullback. Once the prices develop a direction, then we keep enjoying pullback, all pullback towards the momentum and the trend. All right, guys, so you can see we had amazing trades, and most of the pairs we had amazing trades. Yen pair, we had amazing trades, guys. If I'll show you here, we had a short and long. As you can see here, priced nicely. We had a beautiful, if you look at here, we had a beautiful short trade. The Asian session, we were short here. You can see a beautiful bank some piff. And at the New and the London morning session, that was an amazing trade. You can see here, based on the analysis I explained, price is going to respect short trade here, then pull back long here. If the break, then another trade here. You can see here we had a short trade, bank some profit. As soon as the price develop another pullback, explain to trader momentum is bullish, and enjoying another pullback. So then another breakout and then another pullback. So we had a beautiful, as you can see in 4 hour, the price developed bullish inside candle pattern. Then we stay to trader, guys, just keep taking pullbacks today on pound yen, all the yen pair. So you can see here at the New York session, price developed exactly the same pattern like pound dollar, sideways market breakout based on the momentum. You can see here one breakout, another pullback, another pullback. Once we define the direction in 4 hour, then intraday we just keep taking up trades towards the direction, towards the momentum, and keep taking a pullback. So we had amazing trades on yen pair, most of the yen pair, pound yen, euro yen. We had a, let me share with you the euro yen. quickly. We can see here such a beautiful ride we headed in Euro-yen. All right guys, that's it. I hope guys you enjoy all this analysis. The best thing is, the interesting thing is, you should be watching those analyses in the real time. You should be banking pips in real time. You should be developing your trading skill in real time. That's my main objectives, to train traders with a live market, to help the traders with a live market, right? So they can basically develop their trading skills effectively. Once they develop their trading skill, we can also open door, get funded from the prop firms. If you are interested how I help traders through this platform in real time and how I help them to get funded, feel free to book free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description, guys. And even if you are experienced trader, as you have seen, this is pure price action trading, guys. And I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy peeping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome, guys. Join my fast growing trader community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.